today I will show you total 5 colleges notification for the post of faculty requirement. So let's start with that first one, that AISSMS faculty requirement. So invites application for the post of professor, associate professor, assistant professor in AI, data science, chemical, civil, computer, electrical, ENTC, information technology, instrumentation, mechanical production, applied physics, applied chemistry, engineering mathematics, training and placement officer, and assistant workshop superintendent. Okay, so qualification is per AICTE rules. So field application in prescribed format available under job on website. This along with self-attested photocopies of all the certificates should be submitted within 7 days from the date of publication of the advertisement to this email ID. So this notification is released today. So you have to go their official website and click on the job section, and there you have to download application form, fill that application form and send to their mentioned email ID. Okay, so you have 7 days to send your notifications, and you have to remember that this post is purely on temporary and ad hoc basis. Okay, so I have already downloaded that application form. So this is the application form. Here you can see. Okay, so experience, total experience. Okay, so here you can see the list of the required documents enclosed for the application. Okay, and I will also give you that direct link where you just click on it and you can download from there this application. Okay, so now coming to the next college's notification, that is Anna Macharya Institute of Technology and Science, Kadapa. Okay, wanted faculty. So applications are invited from the eligible candidates for the post of professor, associate professor and assistant professor and CE, EEE, ME, ECE, CSE, physics, chemistry, mathematics and English departments. Qualification as per AICTE norms. So interested candidates can send their applications along with passport size photograph, xerox copies of certificates and experiences. Details should reach on or before 12th July 2021 by mail to this email ID. So selected candidate will be called for interview. If you want more details, just dial this number. Okay, now coming to the next notification, that JP College of Engineering, Tamil Nadu, wanted professor, associate professor, assistant professor in the Department of Civil, CSE, ECE, EEE, Mechanical, SNH and Placement Officer. Apply on or before 15 July 2021, and here are the email ID, and if you want more details, just dial to these two number. Okay, now coming to the next notification, that Malla Reddy University. So faculty notifications. So registrar, dean for the CSE department, dean business management, dean R&D, and also requirement professor, associate professor, assistant professor. Here are the subjects: CSE, AIML, data science, cyber security, English, agriculture, food science, business analysis and management, paramedical, digital forensic. Okay, so qualification as per AICTE and UGC norms. So submit resume to this email ID on or before 18 July 2021. So you have to remember the last date is 18 July. You can, so this is basically you have to submit the resume to through email. Okay, so now this is the last notification, that Sri Sunflower College of Engineering and Technology. So basically this is walk-in interview, and for the vice principal, academic dean, minimum 5 to 10 years experiences. Professors, associate professor, assistant professor in CSE, ECE, EEE, civil, mechanical, mathematics, physics, chemistry. Qualification as per AICTE rule. Also requirement accountant, cashier. Okay, who have good knowledge on tally, experience can apply. Okay, part-time guest faculty can also apply. 1 to 4 months salary will be given in advance for eligible candidates. Okay, so interview date is 10th July to 12th July, and you have to send your resume this email ID. Okay, and if you want more details regarding this walk-in interview, just dial this number, above number. Okay, so also this is basically one advantage is they will provide 1 to 4 months advance salary. Okay, for eligible candidate. So if you want more notification like that, just like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.